Hello everyone, this is Reena from eClub. Language is a powerful tool used to share our thoughts and facilitate effective communication. In this video, we'll be looking into advanced daily phrases, their meanings, and a couple of examples for each. I am sure you're going to enjoy this session. So keep watching. But first, please subscribe to eClub channel on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. The idiom, "not my cup of tea," is a colloquial expression used to indicate that something is not to one's liking or preference. Thanks for inviting me, but ballet isn't really my cup of tea. This means I don't like doing ballet or I can't do ballet. I like to study English, but maths isn't my cup of tea. This means I can't understand maths or I don't like maths. To get or to have butterflies in your stomach is an idiomatic expression that means you're anxious and have a nervous feeling in your stomach. I had butterflies in my stomach before I gave that talk in Venice. Means I was nervous before the talk in Venice. This is a very common feeling when we have to give speeches or performances. A piece of cake means something that's simple to accomplish. That test was a piece of cake, meaning the test was easy. That game was a piece of cake for my brother's football team, meaning there wasn't enough competition and it was an easy win for the team. To be on the same page means to be in agreement. Usually, before any decision is made, we want to ensure everyone is on the same page. To take it easy means to calm down. We ask people to take it easy when they are stressed. For example, "Take it easy, Joe. Everything is going to be just fine." The doctor told her to take it easy for a while. To take off means to leave. A couple of examples for this expression would be, "She took off for her trip." "Sorry, I have to take off now as my partner is waiting for me at the restaurant." The phrase, "a tough nut to crack," is an idiom that means something is difficult to do or a person is difficult to deal with. For example, "He's a tough nut, but I'll get him to agree to the contract." The phrase, "on the fence," is used to describe being undecided about something. They are sitting on the fence and refusing to commit themselves, meaning they are unable to come to a decision. Many consumers are still on the fence, waiting for the new computer to come along. The idiom, "once in a blue moon," is used to describe something that happens rarely. Once in a blue moon, I go to the cinema. Only when there's a film I really want to see. Make up your mind means to decide. I can't make up my mind where to take my vacation, meaning I'm unable to decide where to go for a vacation. Not in my book means not in my opinion or not according to my beliefs. It is used to express disagreement or disapproval. Eating dessert before dinner is not in my books, means it isn't okay to have desserts before dinner in my opinion. Fred is not okay for the job in my books means I don't think Fred is suitable for the job. Give me a break is used to tell someone to stop bothering or treating unfairly. Example, you are always criticizing me. Give me a break. Go Dutch means to pay for someone's own share of something. I will go Dutch with you on the movie if you want means I will pay for my own movie ticket. Haven't been asked to go Dutch yet means I haven't been asked to pay for my share yet. Beats me is used to express that you don't understand or can't explain something. Beats me why he wants such a big car, meaning I don't understand why he wants to buy such a big car. It beats me why he was so mean to you. This means I don't understand or cannot explain why he was so mean to you. I hope you enjoyed the session. Understanding and using advanced phrases sharpens our ability to express ideas clearly. It allows us to communicate with greater nuance and variety. Stay tuned for the next session in the series.